What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this LED desk lamp right here. Now the company sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. Now to start things off, getting this installed is very easy. It uses a clamp style system. So you clamp it to the side or back or front of your desk, however you're going to do it. You just clamp it to your desk. It locks into place. It's very easy. It took me about a minute to get it installed. It doesn't take that long at all. And as far as functionality is like moving it around and adjusting it, you know, this main arm can go like all the way down and we can go all the way back up here, which is nice. And there is a lock here, so we can loosen this and then we can swivel this wherever we want. So if we need to swivel this around, we can go ahead and do that. Let me lock that in place here. This second arm can go all the way up, very easy to do. And we can bring that back down there. Now the LED section, actually I just turned it off. The LED section here can go ahead and again, you can swivel it down, swivel it back up. But one of the cool things about this one is that we can swivel it this way as well. So again, if you need to go up and over something and then, you know, you need to move over, you can swivel this around, which is definitely nice. Another cool thing about this lamp compared to others is that you can sort of like fold it away, which is really awesome. You don't want it in the way or something like that. It's super easy to do as well. So all you have to do is you kind of move it around and you bend it all the way down here. And it sort of just folds in very nicely and completely out of the way. As you can see, no more lamp. Super awesome that you're able to do that. Now I have all the main lights off in my office, and to use this, there are touch controls on the second arm here. So you just press the power button for like a second, and this will go ahead and turn on. Now the cool thing about these touch controls is like you can basically scroll and adjust certain things with the light. So you can see the light that we are getting here. Now I have it on the brightness setting, so we can scroll down, and this is the lowest setting, as you can see, and we can scroll up. And as you can see, it gets incredibly bright. Like this thing is super, super bright. But on top of just your brightness, there is a mode button. So you hold in that mode button for a couple seconds and then it changes colors. And then we can adjust the color temperature. So we can go up the color temperature. And this goes all the way up to 7,000 Kelvin. So that is pretty high, as you can see, like super white, bright light. But then we can go all the way down to something more cozy, you know what I mean? So the lowest setting for that is 2,700 Kelvin. So as you can see, you know, more yellow, and we can adjust that to whatever, you know, color temperature you want. You want something more cozy, you turn it down. You want something more like, you know, outside light, you turn it up. Very easy to go ahead and do that. And again, of course, while we're doing that, we can adjust the brightness. We can turn things up or down very easily. The controls are super easy to use. I really like this lamp just because, one, it's super functional. Like I can move it around, you know, I can move the different sections how I want them. It was easy to set up and the controls are super simple as well. So if you are looking for an LED desk lamp, this is one that I would definitely recommend.